distinct concentration of PGW sites in Haryana and Upper Ganga Valley, of which 30 have been excavated. In North India, there is a distinct concentration of PGW sites in Haryana and Upper Ganga Valley, of which 30 have been excavated. The end of Neolithic period saw the use of metals, of which copper was the first. Consequently, several cultures came to be based on use of stone and copper implements. Such a culture is called Chalcolithic, which means the copper stone phase. Chronologically, there are several series of Chalcolithic settlements in India. Several Chalcolithic cultures, though younger in age than the mature Harappan culture, are not connected with the Indus civilization. Today, let us pay attention to the Malwa culture, whose uh, period was 1700 to 1200 BC, found in Navada Toli, Aran and Nagada is considered to be non-Harappan. So is the case with the Jorve culture 1400 to 700 BC, which covers the whole of Maharashtra except part of Vidarbha and Konkan. In the southern and eastern part of India, Chalcolithic settlements existed independently of Harappan culture. The Chalcolithic people used tiny tools and weapons of stone in which the stone blades and bladelets occupied an important position. In certain settlements, copper objects are found in good numbers at Ahar and Gilund in Rajasthan. The characteristic pottery of Chalcolithic phase was black and red. People domesticated animals and practiced agriculture. They seem to have eaten beef but not pork.